everyone, and we go on our educational videos. Today we move on with the topic that was raised in the previous video, element filtering. And we'll show you a short demo on this topic today. And as a short reminder, a diagram from the previous video. As you remember, our goal is to iterate only through the elements that fit the filtering criteria. And the key elements that will be used today are the following: filtering rule, category, and filtered iterator. All those elements will be illustrated today in order to help us implement our filtering task. For today's demo, we will take our first dumper demo as the base. But in this demo, we will make the following changes. First of all, we will change the project settings. That will be additional include directories. Next, we will need to append additional include directives to be able to use the necessary additional elements. And next, we will modify the very source code of the example. Okay, let us start. First of all, open project properties, switch to C++ General, and in the section additional include directories, append a section to ease the access to database entities. Next, let's append the include directive. We'll append only one include directive to reference the filter category rule header. Next, as we will iterate through elements but not through the element IDs, we can just remove the old loop. After this, again, we will disable the progress meter output to clean the output of our demo example. Now, let us create the filter category rule object. We append a category to this object that will serve as our filtering criteria. We use built-in enumeration to specify this category, in our case OSD walls. Please pay attention that multiple categories may be appended to filter category rule object. Now, let us create the element iterator. We'll use it to create the filtered iterator. With the filtered iterator, we can launch a loop and iterate through all the elements that fit our criteria. In other words, all the walls elements. Let us build the demo and run it. As you see, in our output we have only walls elements. But there are cases when we need to get the whole array of the elements that fit the criteria. And it's quite easy to get this. You need just to call the collect method of the filtered iterator, and you'll get the necessary array. But please pay attention that the collect method call sets the iterator to the end of the sequence, and thus done call will return true immediately and you won't get inside the loop. So let us append the collect call and rebuild our example with the collect call before the loop. Let's build. Next, let's run it. And as you see, we do not have any output at all. That's all for today, and thank you very much for watching.